Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to set a PayPal account on mobile. So the first thing that you need to do, of course, is to download a PayPal application on your device. And if you already downloaded the app, okay, open it and then click on sign up. This one here. Okay, now you have to type out your phone number and then click on next. Okay, that's right. So after that, you have to set up your profile. You'll have to put your legal first name, legal last name, then your email, and of course your password. So right after that, just click on next. And then here you have to add your address. Okay, you have to start typing your street number. Okay, for example, like this on the bottom. And then also you have a choice if you want to link a debit card or credit card, or you will skip that part. Okay, now you can also sync your contacts. Okay, so it will be easier for you to connect with your friends and family. So just click on continue. And finally, after that, you'll be able to see this section here. So now you can start sending a payment or request a payment from your friend or family. So that's it. That's how you can set up a PayPal account on mobile. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.